Hey guys, it's Ahmad over here at Flemington Powersports. It is a beautiful day. I'm going to show you guys how to start the new Spyders, the 2024s. They had a few things tweaked. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and turn your key. You get a really nice welcome message from CanAm on this giant 10.1 inch screen that they put on, which also has Apple CarPlay, by the way. That's really the biggest feature that they changed. Then go ahead, put your foot on the brake, flick down the kill switch, roll the throttle forward, as weird as that sounds, and then just press down on it. So the other thing that people don't know about or struggle to figure out on their own is to put it in reverse. You used to have a R button over here where you just had to hold it down. On the new ones, all you have to do is roll the throttle forward and then downshift, and it slaps it right in reverse. So it's actually a lot easier, a lot more convenient. Come on down and play with them. We have one right out front. This is an RT Limited, a 2024, and we have tons more that are still crated. So if you want it, we have it. Our phone number is 908-237-0099. Go to FlemingtonPowersports.com and check out the rest of our inventory.